Hey guys, what's happening? How to screen record on iPhone. So you can go down to your control center from the top right, and if you didn't see the recording button right here next to that battery or low battery mode, right, that means you're gonna find it in the settings, right? You could just simply hit the record, and if you want to record with your mic, make sure to hold the screen recording icon and then turn on the microphone like I'm doing right now. Right? Another way, or if you don't find the screen recording button right here, what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead to your settings on iPhone, right? And scroll a bit down to the control center right here, right? And you can access right here the control center within the app. Sorry, I wasn't aware. You can just hold right here and add control, okay? And from here, you're gonna just search for screen record, right, in the display and brightness, and you can add screen mirroring and screen recording to your control center and start recording on your iPhone, right? Whether recording screen or recording yourself doing something. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.